this video, I'll be showing you the ways to unban Litmatch account. So if your Litmatch account has been banned and you are unable to log into your account, then you should follow these steps in order to fix it. Now, first thing, you have to understand the reason for ban. So determine why your account was banned. Now, common reasons include violation of the community guidelines, inappropriate behavior, or suspicious activity as well. And likewise, the most effective way to resolve a ban is to contact Litmatch customer support. You can typically find the contact option within the app or on the official website itself. And on the home page itself, you'll be notified with the statement that why this sort of action has been performed. So sometimes the ban must be for a temporary period, so you can just wait patiently. Your account should be unbanned. Likewise, to contact the Litmatch support team, you could use the app itself, and or else if the app does not provide a clear contact method, you can try emailing their support team. Look for an optional support email address which might be listed on the App Store or the Litmatch website itself. And when contacting support, be polite and provide as much detail as possible about your account and circumstances that leads to the ban. And if you believe that the ban was a mistake, you can explain why and prove any evidence that supports your case. After contacting support, wait for the response. It may take some time for them to review your case and respond. And if you do not receive responses within a responsible time frame, consider following up with another message. Make sure to reference your previous communications and any ticket number you were given. So in this way, you should be able to fix or get unbanned from your Litmatch account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.